What's going on, guys? Today I want to do a review of Robert Irvine's Fit Crunch Bar, and it's a high protein baked bar, and this is peanut butter flavored. 30 grams protein, 6 grams sugar, gluten free. Made with whey protein, 30 grams protein. Let's see what we got here. Grams to the fat. Let me open this up here. Let's pull the whole thing out. See what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Looks good. Got a little bit of everything, guys. Peanut butter, chocolate chips. Set the nougat there. Wow, that is really good, guys. I haven't had a protein bar in a really long time. I remember when I was a kid, I'd, get those Gatorade protein bars. I don't even know if they still make them or not. I'm sure they do, though. But and I never thought, many protein bars had the best flavor, but I really do like this, guys. I'm gonna give this 10 out of 10. It's like the best protein bar I've ever had. Yeah, I'm gonna show the rest of this rock that washed down the driveway here. And I've been loading it in the wheelbarrow and then hauling it up the hill here a little ways. I'm just doing that, because it's a good workout doing that. And hopefully this will give me some damn muscle too. But it has really good flavor, guys. And hope you all are having a good day today. And cheers. Take care.